Hi guys, welcome to Simply Hike. Here we have the Bolle Nevada Ski Goggles. So these are named after a desert in America, but they're ski goggles. But actually, no, they're good for sort of really bright conditions because the lenses themselves are category 3. So these are going to protect your eyes. They've got that UV protection. So when it's really bright out and it's reflecting off the snow, it's going to still protect your eyes. Frameless design just makes it nice and neat and looks really cool. And the shape of it is going to match with Bolle helmets as well. So it's going to sort of keep that styling and fit nice and comfortably. The fit is also sort of medium to large. So taking a closer look at the ski goggle, taking a look at the top. So we've got this mesh ventilation system, so they're not going to fog up. It stays sort of nice and fresh on the inside. Plenty of foam and very soft lining, so when it's sort of against your face for long periods of time, nice and comfortable, and it keeps the sweat out of your eyes as well. So these are really designed for free skiing and sort of freestyling. We've got this elasticated section here, and this also has that silicone grip section, so it's going to grip onto the back and the side of your head and stop them from slipping around, and it just gives you a nice amount of tension, so it's not really sucking into your face, but it's staying comfortable. And you have full adjustability on the back, so you can adjust it to exactly how tight you like it. So if you're into your skiing and you sort of want some real sort of sunlight protection, UV protection, and that kind of freestyle style, then take a look at the Bolle Nevada goggles. Thanks for watching and happy trails.
I can keep my nose placed directly above the big toe of my lead foot. That will put my balance in the right place. If I'm leaning too far forward, I'm actually pushing my feet out backwards behind me. And if I'm too far back,